This is Horizontal Edition 5, in which you will learn to add 4. For this book, you will do 4 pages a day. Your goal is to do all 4 pages in 6 minutes with 4 mistakes or less. Parents, make sure to grade your students' homework and practice oral facts with them every day. Practice oral facts every day before your homework to warm up your brain and to memorize your facts. To practice oral facts, go down one column and just say the answers out loud. Have someone listen to you to see if you are correct. Then go back up the column. Practice every day to be fast. Your goal is to say the answers one way in 10 seconds or less. Make sure you do both columns. Let's do the first few together. 5, 7, 11, 6. Let's look at this first page. At the top we have a word problem. Let's read the problem and the directions. So, Anna had 3 teddy bears and got 2 more teddy bears. How many does she have total? Write a number sentence and find the answer. First, let's look closer at the question. How many does she have total? The word total is a clue. When you see it in a word problem, it's telling you that you're going to add in this problem. Since the question asks, how many does she have total, we will be adding. So now let's figure out what 2 numbers we're adding together. Let's look back at the problem. It says, Anna had 3 teddy bears and got 2 more teddy bears. So the 2 numbers given are 3 and 2. So let's write the number sentence. We have 3 plus 2, which equals 5. So Anna had 5 teddy bears total. Make sure you follow directions and write the number sentence and not just the answer. Now let's look at the bottom of the same page. We'll look at the first one. Here we have 2 numbers on the left, so we need to find the answer and put it on the right. So what is 4 plus 3? It's 7. Now let's do the next problem. We have 1 number on the left, 4, and the answer on the right, 6. So we need to think in our head, 4 plus what equals 6? 4 plus what equals 6? 4 plus 2 equals 6. On this drill page, we will work on adding 4. First, notice that we are adding in order. So let's start with 0 plus 4, which equals 4, because anything plus 0 is going to be the same number. So next we have 1 plus 4, which is 1 more than the last problem. So it equals 5. Next is 2 plus 4, 1 more than the last one. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Following the order is 3 plus 4, which equals 7, and last, 4 plus 4, which equals 8. Now let's look at another drill page. Here we have 0 plus 4 and 4 plus 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. With these 2 problems, you'll notice that the same numbers make the same answers. Meaning, if you change the order of the numbers you are adding, the sum, or the answer, stays the same. Let's go on to the next page. We're going to focus on the bottom of the page to look at the addition patterns. When solving addition patterns, we have 2 ways of looking at it. First, we will solve with place value. On this first one, 2 plus 2, or 2 ones plus 2 ones, equals 4 ones. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Next, 20 plus 20, or 2 tens plus 2 tens, which equals 4 tens. So 20 plus 20 equals 40. Last is 200 plus 200, or 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds, which equals 4 hundreds. So 200 plus 200 equals 400. So now let's look at the same addition pattern in a different way. First, notice that 2 plus 2, 20 plus 20, and 200 plus 200 are similar because they use the same number, 2. So that means they will have similar answers. The first problem is 2 plus 2, which equals 4. Next is 20 plus 20. Well, 20 is 2 with a 0 attached to it, so 20 plus 20 is the same thing as 2 plus 2, but with a 0 at the end. So 20 plus 20 equals 40, or 4 with a 0 at the end. Last is 200 plus 200. So once again we have 2 plus 2, but this time we have 2 zeros attached to the end. So 200 plus 200 equals 400, or 4 with 2 zeros attached to it. So let's work on another addition pattern. First we have 8 plus 4, which equals 12. Next is 80 plus 40, or 8 plus 4 with a 0 attached. So 80 plus 40 equals 12 with a 0 attached, or 120. Last is 800 plus 400, which is 1200, or 12 with 2 zeros attached. So now let's work on adding with double digits. First we have 0 plus 4, which equals 4. After that is 10 plus 4. Well, 10 is 10 more than 0, so 10 plus 4 is 10 more than 0 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 equals 14, which is 10 more than 4. Next is 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And following that is 11 plus 4, 10 more than 1 plus 4. So 11 plus 4 equals 15, 10 more than 5. Last is 2 plus 4, which equals 6. So 12 plus 4 equals 16, because 12 is 10 more than 2. Remember, for success in this book, have your parents grade your homework and practice oral facts daily.